now let us see about our hair care combo. Hair care combo also has 5 products in it. First product is protein shampoo, which is for hair regrowth, and then we have natural hair conditioner, which softens your hair and which gives your that moisture to the hair. Okay. Next one is after washing your hair, after drying your hair, and if you're going somewhere out, you want your hair to be always dry. You don't want all the oil to be falling in your face. You don't want to be appearing oily, all that. You can have softened, smooth, silky hair serum. What it does it, some people have so much of knots inside the hair. They'll struggle very much to remove that knots itself. So when they spray the soft and silky hair serum, the comb very gently goes into the hair and comes out. Even when they go out, that soft and silky hair serum is made up of completely out of aloe vera, and it has a good lavender fragrance. So it soothes your mood, calms your nerves down, as well as it gives protection to your hair. Okay, while going out, even when you're going out, you want protection for the hair. So whole day you can be with soft and silky hair serum. Okay, after that you come home evening times. So if after you come home, you can just refresh yourself, change your dresses, relax yourself, then apply Misty's hair regrowth oil. Once you have applied hair regrowth oil, you plaited your hair, everything. Some people will have baldness in the front hairline, which would have gone up like that, and some people will have baldness. Even females will have baldness within their hair itself when they separate, and baldness can see it in the scalp. For that, you can use onion hair oil. Just apply it in the cotton, pour it in a bowl, touch it with the cotton, just keep applying all those areas with that cotton. You will see fine small hairs growing in all those areas within 1 week of time. So this offer is there now as a hair combo for Aadi month. So it is 1050 rupees including shipping. Now we are giving for 900 rupees, just 900 rupees including shipping. So before the offer ends, grab the offer.